Okay, mic is on. Here's a cozy little spot to chat at. So welcome everyone. This is Lilia reporting after quite some time. And I wanted to share the new direction I plan to take with my content. So it's always been food, and it will be primarily food. But I've been talking to some people, my whole social media channel information comes up here and there. And they've mentioned, it'd be nice to see other topics. Have you considered maybe sharing about your corporate life, how you navigate it, maybe wardrobe ideas? And that all actually seems very interesting. It's just that I'm not an expert in any of this. I have learned a thing or two. But, maybe that is the interesting part about this, because who really has it all together? If you have it together, you're lying. I don't think we all have it together. We're just doing a damn good job about it. But yeah, I thought, would you guys be interested in seeing any of that? Would you be interested in maybe even home organization? In more recent years, I've been interested in self-improvement. What 1% can I work on every day or every week to better my overall life? Because as corny as it sounds, but it really is a journey and not just a marathon. Let me know in the comments below if that is something of interest, and maybe other topics that I should probably consider. It's not a guarantee that I would be able to create content on that, and it depends, timing and whatnot, because I am a one woman show. I also want to know, where are you guys from? I've always wondered, what is your occupation? What do you guys like to do? What are you passionate about? Because we obviously have something in common, which is food, because you've come to my platform and shared tips and tricks, or nice comments, which thank you everyone that has done that. But I want to know other things that we have in common, but I don't know that because, well, we haven't shared that. So I think this change is going to be great for all of us. I think it's going to open up new opportunities. So I'm excited for that. And I have content coming up that I've prepared already. So let me know what you think about that. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care.